Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be explaining how Boston Dynamics Atlas robot can unlock what people are calling human mode, meaning it moves with the gymnastic style agility and balance similar to a real person. If you are curious about how this upgrade works and what makes it possible, this video is going to break it down clearly. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. So first, it's important to understand what human mode really means. So the traditional robots were slowly and predictably because they rely on the rigid control and the balance systems. What researchers are doing now is teaching robots to use the dynamic balance and movement, which is inspired by human motion. Atlas accomplishes this by combining several advanced technologies. The first one is motion planning and control. Instead of the pre-programmed steps, Atlas uses the real-time motion planning. This helps the robot adjust the balance and posture instantly as the situation changes, just like a gymnast shifting weight mid-air. The second is whole body coordination. Human movement isn't just legs moving independently, it's synchronized actions of the arms, torso, legs all together. So, new algorithms allow Atlas to coordinate multiple joints dynamically, enabling it to stand, run, jump, and recover like a person. The next thing is balanced feedback systems. Humans constantly sense their body position and adjust in the real time. Atlas uses the sensors and the feedback loops that mimic this process. So when a disturbance occurs, like a push or uneven ground, the robot uses its internal balance calculations to stabilize itself instead of stopping or failing. So unlocking human mode is also meaning improving the machine learning integration. Atlas doesn't just react, it predicts the motion based on the patterns. This means the robot can plan a jump or step before it happens, which is key for fluid gymnast style movements. Finally, all of this is powered by the specialized software running fast motion predictions hundreds of times per second. So these calculations allow Atlas to move with a level of agility that once seemed impossible for the humanoid robots. So if this video helped you understand how Boston Dynamics Atlas unlock human-like movement, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel for more tech and robotics breakdowns. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.